Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Cold this morning, but we will begin a warming trend today that is going to continue through Christmas weekend. So we've got some warm Christmas temperatures, and it should begin to feel a lot nicer this afternoon. Yesterday, kind of a cloudy, chilly, rainy day. We had highs in the low 40s in some areas on Monday, but with the sun coming back today, we'll likely see those highs into the upper 50s this afternoon. Pinpoint Doppler showing no rain out there across the Arklatex, and we're still working through a few clouds early this morning, but eventually turns mostly sunny this afternoon. So as you're getting going this morning, if you're outside before 8:30 in the morning, we'll have these temperatures likely in the low to mid 30s, maybe a brief freeze, especially along I-30. The one location at freezing this morning is Mount Pleasant, and given the cold air, some of the rainfall we had yesterday, ground is damp, and now that the temperatures have cooled down to the dew point, we do have quite a bit of fog setting up, so you can see some dense fog here north of I-30. So again, some trouble spots on the roadways here across Oklahoma as well as Texas, and beginning to see some fog in Louisiana as well. So that will be the main weather issue for us today. Once we get through some of the fog this morning, should be just a gorgeous day for us, as we'll have light north breeze about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and highs which are right at average for the day. The average high is 59. That's exactly where we'll be in Shreveport today, 58 for Texarkana. And again, this is just the beginning of the warming trend that will continue in the upcoming days. You can see the back edge of the clouds beginning to scoot out of the region. And what will happen for the rest of the week here, you can see this ridge of high pressure that's building across the desert southwest as well as Mexico. That ridge building over the Arklatex this week. So that will keep us dry. It gives us some great Christmas travel weather through the week, but also some very warm temperatures. And we should see those very warm temperatures develop by Thursday. So I think pretty nice weather today as well as tomorrow. Futurecast shows the clouds moving out. Tons of sunshine this afternoon, and get used to that. We'll see a lot of sun here for the remainder of the week. In the big change tomorrow, you can see the blue arrows on the map. The north wind goes away and south wind returns, so we'll see high temperatures back into the 60s in most areas for your Wednesday, and jumping back into the 70s on Thursday and staying in the 70s through your Christmas weekend. Christmas Day will have highs in the upper 70s. I believe the record for Christmas is 84, so we won't quite break the record, but it is going to be a warm and breezy day. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised we did hit 80 degrees on Christmas Day. So a warm and breezy Christmas weekend for us, and that warm weather will continue next Sunday and Monday as well. Looks like our next chance for rain probably coming in towards the middle of next week, but it looks like it will stay maybe warm to mild all the way through to your New Year's weekend as well.